Hey everyone, EnigmaCoinCollector, and we're going to do another unboxing video, and this one is kind of special because this is a VaultBox coin. That's right, I decided to take the plunge and get in on this, and I have a Series 3. I only got one of these, Series 3 VaultBox. Now, for those of you that may not know, let me explain a little bit about the VaultBox. Basically, NGC came out earlier in 2023 with the concept of a VaultBox, mainly to promote their new scale of grading on a 10-point scale, as opposed to the 70-point scale that we all know and most of us use. So the first two Vault boxes had 3 coins in them, and you had the chance of getting either a black core series, which was basically common, or getting a red core series, which was the rare coins, and those were worth substantially more than what you paid. You got 3 coins in each of the boxes, and it was about $700 for a box of those. And I thought about getting those, but I just didn't have it in my budget, and I just didn't feel like that was worth the risk. And secretly, I actually thought it'd be really nice if they offered a 1-coin version, and they decided to do it with the Series 3. So this is a 1-coin box. There's not 3 of them. There's just 1 of them in here. So I got one. I decided to go on because it was a lower price point, $229, and I had that in my budget for my coins, and I thought, you know what, let's take it a shot. We'll get one of these because I didn't want to get 2 of them because of how much it would be, and we'll do an unboxing video and see what we get. And so basically, we're looking for a red core series hit. So the slab should be red if it's rare, black if it's not. Now, I actually went through, and on the VaultBox website, they have all the potential coins listed that you can pull from these. You can see on the back what you get, what you could get, and these are obviously the red core hits that are worth a lot of money. I did the math. I actually pulled all of the possibilities and their numbers into Excel, did some quick math, and you're looking at about a 17.5% chance at pulling a red core from a box. I actually have gone through and seen some people do unboxings on YouTube. I have not seen a red core pulled yet, so I think that's very interesting. We are going to weigh this. I got this today, and we'll go ahead and clear out a scale. Some people are weighing these boxes. They actually had an issue in the Series 1 box where people were weighing them and figuring out more than likely what they were getting. So in Series 2, they added cards to offset the weight because the secondary market was usually just dead boxes. And our Vault box is 141.38 grams. So I'm thinking we've got a larger coin in here based off of what everyone else's weights have been and what they have gotten. So I'm thinking a larger type coin, maybe like a Morgan dollar or something like that. The other thing is that there's also a gold back, which is the first ever gold paper money that is put into circulation that you can use as currency. So they announced that after the fact that everyone gets a gold back in here. Now it's got 1/1000th of a troy ounce of gold in it. And they usually go for somewhere between $5 and $6. So it's really not super valuable, but it's still a nice gesture that VaultBox is doing. So I paid $229 for this plus shipping. Basically, if we get a black core, we probably lost some money, but there are some cool coins in there. And if we got a red slab, red core, we're doing really well. So let me go ahead and get out the knife and let's open this. All right, I got my trusty pocket knife. Let's go ahead and get in this. While I'm getting the plastic off, I just want to reiterate, they did have some issues. People were weighing their boxes and actually x-raying their boxes, and you can actually see the outlines of the coins and know if you had a coin or, you know, a couple grams of gold or fractional gold. So people on the secondary market were getting a very good insight into what the possibilities or the likely possibilities of the coins inside were. So this is a very nice box. You can see 1 coin, many possibilities. And I've watched a few unboxings on YouTube, so I know how this works. We're going to slide this off like that. There is an NGC sticker that is going to prevent tampering. So if this is broken, then obviously someone has already been in here. Ours is intact, so we're going to go ahead and break the seal. No going back now. No reselling this on eBay. Oh, it's magnetic too. That's really nice. The box is really nice. So really carefully. And there is the gold back. I actually don't have any of these gold backs. This is going to be my first one. I want to be really careful and not reveal what we got. So like I said, this is fractional gold. And this actually has 1/1000th of a troy ounce of 24 karat gold. If you get 1,000 of these, you've got an ounce of gold, but at $5 a piece, you're spending a lot more than you would on just a gram of gold, or sorry, an ounce of gold to begin with. So we got New Hampshire. That's really cool. And I'll definitely add that to my collection. So, all right, the moment we've all been waiting for. Here's some information about the gold backs, and I'm going to start sliding this down. And we want to see red. If we get black, it's okay. This is essentially gambling, really, is what it is. So let's see what we get. I am excited. Can we get red? It's black. All right, so we didn't get a red core hit. We got a black core. Let's see what we got. 1923S, $1, MS63. VaultBox Series 3. And it is going to be a peace dollar. It's a nice peace dollar, too. 1923 MS63. You can see there's some toning on the coin, but it is in really great shape. Let me zoom down a little bit here. You can see I've got the digital zoom on, but yeah, I like how they have the slab. They went back to the standard 70-point scale, which I like, and I like the holder too. Some people were talking about the holder because it's got a black slab in it, and then it's got the white ring, and then the coin itself. It really pops. It's a really nice holder. Now, one of the things you can do is you can actually scan this and see what they're going to offer for it if you want to sell it back to them and kind of recoup your losses, or you can hold on to it. We're going to see what this value is. Now that I'm looking at it, there's some chatter. Looks like right below the L. You can see it right there. Yeah, some reeds from another coin hit this at one point. And that is a shame. It's probably why I got a 63. But let me go ahead and pull this up and see what kind of offer we get and what this coin is worth. All right, and here we are at the PCGS website. You know that I'm a PCGS person. I like them over NGC. You can see that this is the 1923S. We actually do have the S. I didn't see that initially. And of course, you can't see it, but yeah, 1923S. So there is an estimate mark. I'll show it over on the other side since we're over here at the computer. And in an MS63, we're looking at about $140. So looks like we lost about $100 on this coin. So, and we knew that going into it. Like I said, this is basically gambling. But it's still fun. It's still exciting. I'm still glad I did it. I'm really glad that they offered the one coin option this time around because $750, $800 for a box is just a little outside my price range. Actually, it's a lot out of my price range. Anyway, like I said, you can actually go on your account. You can type in your cert number and get an instant offer if you want to try to resell this back to them. So let's go ahead and do that right now and see what... Oh, wait, I'm sorry. 63. Let's see what they offer. You could see there. Yep, there's our coin, and you could see the marks right there next to the L. Yep, that's the coin we got, and they're offering $90. So not going to take that offer for sure. I'm definitely going to keep this to and add this to my collection. Like I said, I'm really glad that I did it. But, you know, it's disappointed we didn't get a red core series hit, obviously. But let's go back to the bench and get a final recap and thoughts. All right, so we're back here at the bench with the coin. And just to summarize, you know, it was really exciting. I wasn't going to do it. And then I thought, you know what, for the price point, it is. Went ahead and jumped in the queue. This thing sold out in under 20 minutes. So a lot of refreshing, a lot of going back and forth and trying to get these coins. So eventually I decided to get one, and I got it, and it came here, and it was fun and exciting. I'm glad that they did this at the lower price point. I'm also glad that they're doing this with older coins as opposed to newer bullion coins, because it makes the collectors a little bit more interested in getting that in their collections as well. I actually thought about maybe cracking this out and sending this to PCGS and seeing what they would grade this as, but there is actually a secondary market, like I said, for these coins, and I'm probably just going to keep it and hold on to it right now. But anyway, let me know if you decided to get one of these. Did you get one? What did you get? And did you think it's a good value? It's obviously not a great investment value because, like I said, about a 17.5% chance you're going to get a return on your investment. We didn't in this case, but I just wanted to share it with you. It was fun. It was exciting. I'm glad I got to do this with you, and it's going to go up on my collection board so that I can show it off, and it'll be a really cool conversation piece. That's about going to summarize things here. Remember, if you like this video and you want to see more like it, please click that subscribe button. If you got something to say, leave it in the comments below. I'd appreciate a thumbs up, and remember, It's always a mystery until you crack open that box from NGC and see what you got in your vault box. Thanks for taking the time to watch, everyone. I'll catch you on the next one.